Hi guys, let's cook chicken biryani Sunday special. Let's start with the recipe. So the first step is to marinate the chicken. I've taken 1 kg of chicken here. I'll be adding 1 pack of ginger garlic paste. Next, let's add half tablespoon of turmeric powder. Next, I'll be adding 1 full tablespoon of chili powder. And the last ingredient for marination is to add the biryani masala powder, that is Achi biryani masala powder. I will be adding this 1 full pack, and this is 20 grams. Okay, so I'll be adding 1 full pack to it. Let's give it a good mix. You can keep this aside for about 20 minutes or for 1 hour if you have time, but 20 minutes is more than enough. Sorry about the background noise, it's raining here. Alright, so the second step is to chop all the ingredients. First, I've taken 3 onions chopped, second 4 tomatoes chopped, 5 green chilies chopped, and pudina and coriander chopped. Third step is to soak the rice for biryani. Here I have taken 3 glasses of bullet rice. You can take basmati rice if you have, but this bullet rice is more than enough to cook a good tasty biryani. So here I have taken 3 glasses of bullet rice. You have to soak it in water for about 20 minutes. And for 3 glasses of rice, you have to take sorry about the noise. So you have to take 6 glasses of water. Here I've washed the rice for about 3 times and I've kept it aside for about 20 minutes. Now let's get started with the biryani process. Here I have taken this big kadai because I'm cooking for about 8 or 9 members. First, I've taken 6 to 7 tablespoons of oil. This is for 1 kg of chicken, so we need more oil. Next, I'll be adding 3 tablespoons of ghee. To this, we need to add biryani leaf, 2 sticks of clove and cinnamon sticks. I'm sorry guys, I don't have biryani leaf, but you can add them. Next, I'll be adding green chilies. To this, I'll be adding onion. Let's give it a good mix. You need to fry these onions and chilies until it's golden brown. It's golden brown now. To this, I'll be adding pudina and coriander. Let's add tomato. And give it a good mix. And you have to fry it well until the tomato softens. As you can see, the tomato has softened now. I've cooked this for about 5 minutes in a high flame. I've been stirring it in the middle so that it doesn't burn. Now the tomato is softened. Now we have to add the marinated chicken to it. Let's give it a good stir and cook it for about 5 minutes in full flame, high flame. I have given it a good mix and I've added for about 1 coffee glass of water. That is little glass of water now. Next we have to cook it for about 5 minutes. I'll be closing the lid for 5 minutes in high flame. Okay, so it's been 5 minutes and we have to add the rice now. Next we have to add for about 6 glasses of water. It's still raining, I'm sorry about the noise. I've added 6 glasses of water to it because I've taken 3 glasses of bullet rice. Now I have to add salt. That would be the last ingredient. I'll be adding 2 tablespoons or 3 tablespoons of salt. You better taste it once you add the salt of 2 tablespoons. You better taste it because some people would like more salt and less salt. It depends. I'll give it a good stir now, and once it comes to boil, I'll taste it if it would need chili powder or salt. And once it suits my taste, I'll close the lid in high flame for about 15 minutes. As you can see, it has come to a boil. I've tasted the ingredient and spice and salt are perfect. I didn't add anything extra to it. Now I'll be closing the lid and we'll keep it in high flame for about 15 minutes, and then we'll give it a good stir once the time is up. 15 minutes. It's been 15 minutes. I've been stirring it in the middle so that it doesn't burn the bottom. Let's give it a good mix. Next, all you have to do is lower the flame and then close the lid, and you have to keep something heavy on top. And then you have to keep it in low flame for about 15 more minutes and it'll cook properly. It's been 10 minutes and my mom, she's helping me to stir it. So the biryani is ready now. I told you guys to keep it for 15 minutes, but for about 10 minutes when we tried to stir it so that the bottom doesn't burn, my mom told it's cooked. So yes, the biryani is ready to be served now. Hope you guys liked this recipe. Thank you for watching. Try it at home on Sunday if you are free. Bye guys.